Tanner, how was our hunt today?
Pretty phenomenal.
Yeah, we sat on our feet of about 2,000 birds, and we got our bonus bird today too. And hopefully you guys stay tuned to see that. We're gonna do some more hunting tomorrow, get some more good footage. Hopefully we do all right tomorrow. Maybe we'll get into some ducks, but stay tuned and check out our extra species today. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Bob.
Good morning, Joe. Joe, do you have any more feelings about today?
I just want to eat a lot of donuts.
Well, we do have a lot of warm donuts today.
Yup.
Nick came in clutch with the donuts. Oh yeah.
Yup.
Nothing like breakfast time before we hunt.
I don't have anything to say right now.
Here's our blind. Got it all brushed in. Just picked up the Hybrid from Dive Bomb. Seems pretty solid. Got all of our Dive Bomb solos out there. Got a couple full bodies. I'm gonna stick out maybe a dozen and a half duck decoys just to see. And yeah, we're running some shells today too. So we got about 6 dozen decoys out here, which hopefully is enough to pull them away. Hopefully that's just enough to just pull them away from the middle. But any words, Nick?
We're gonna kill them today.
All 5.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be a hell of a show.
We're gonna get a snow today.
We'll get a snow. We'll get the snow that was in this flock yesterday. It was over here feeding. It was actually right there where those two little decoys are.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna smack that snow. We're gonna watch every flock just about as good as we can.
What do you want the ducks? You want them kind of...
Just sprinkle them inside probably. Just sticking our floaters out here and making them look like field mallards today. Worked last year. Somebody didn't bring the field mallards. Joe. We turned this 4-man blind into a 5-man blind today. Got some pretty decent overhead cover. Probably gonna have to spruce that back up a little bit. But
I didn't even check.
Federal speed shot.
they're right out in front. Let them circle in.
Yeah! We got the snow.
Yeah. It went down.
What'd we get?
First snow goose of the year, guys.
All right, so the first flock of the day that came in, we got this nice snow goose. All of us shot this because it's the only snow goose, and laid the hammer part 2. She done.
Laid the hammers.
Hey, you guys want to put them over? 3 shots. Good job on that second one, and I put her out.
Dad, shoot him right here over on the left. Shoot him on the left.
Yeah!
Yeah! Nice shot, Dad.
I'd say you folded him. Oh yeah.
I see the band from here shining.
We shot some geese today. There's 1 snow and it's dead now. And that's that.
Got our 5-man limit plus a snow.